Hey guys, this is Wizzy1667, and I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video, but in the past year that I haven't uploaded a video, I've been very busy and working. Had a lot of just work to do. Work's been killing me for the past year, and honestly, I totally forgot about my YouTube channel. But now I'm gonna start making some new videos, and hopefully I'll start to regularly upload again. But today we got actually something new. I actually just got this in the mail about a week and a half ago, and this will actually be big part of my channel now. It was a very large investment, but I ended up getting the DJI Mavic Air, and let me tell you, this thing is awesome. It's obviously a DJI Mavic Air, as I said earlier, but it's a pretty cool drone. So far, I've flown it about 40 times or so, and I've got quite a bit of experience with it so far. Definitely still learning, but nobody starts off flying drones an expert, right? Everybody has to learn sometime. But nice thing about this drone is it's got a 3-axis gimbal right here, and so it's very stable throughout the air. Wind's blowing, the drone doesn't really get thrown around. It's very stable. It stays in place and gets a nice crisp picture. Actually, when you do order the drone, it comes with this gimbal cover right here. That's what the gimbal looks like right there. You can see. And here's the gimbal cover that DJI provides with it. Really nice cover. It's kind of nice that they include this. It's not like the DJI Spark, where you actually have to purchase this on your own. But you get the drone. Along with the drone, you get one of these batteries. It's DJI's Intelligent Battery Pack. It's a 2,375 milliamp hour battery. It is a smart battery, so after like 10 days or so, if the battery has not been used, it actually auto discharges itself. It's a lithium polymer battery, so it's got some good power to it. It's got the battery indicator right there on the side. I'm showing one battery because I actually just had it out for a flight. Get some of these nice prop guards. Now, I really don't fly with these, but if you're definitely a beginner flyer and you want to try to practice indoors, you can use these. Now, this drone, it does have these little dots that are right here, and then the little dots here on the bottom and on the rear. Those are actual obstacle avoidance sensors. So basically, if it sees anything in the front, rear, or bottom of its path, it will not allow you to land or go into that object. And this drone especially isn't really a indoor drone. For something indoor, it'd be like a DJI Spark because it's little. It doesn't have very many of those sensors. But these prop guards, they also kill the flight time on it. So not very beneficial to have these when you're out in the field trying to get the awesome footage. But definitely they're nice. They're actually a modular design, so the two connect like this, and they're actually one big circle once you clip them onto the leg right there. But actually, when I bought this drone, when you buy the drone kit, it's about $799, which is a pricey amount for this drone, but it's well worth it. But DJI actually had a special going on if you bought just the regular Mavic Air package, you get this extra battery right here. So if you just buy the drone itself, you'll only get one battery as of right now. I think DJI is over with that promotion. But when I was looking into buying it, they either offered an extra battery, or if you got the Fly More combo, you actually got a DJI Tello or the RiseTech Tello. So, you know, I kind of lucked out getting two batteries. And if you're really looking into flying a drone, getting a good drone like this, definite big tip is to buy more batteries. I'll tell you, I've been killing myself only having these two, and I'm out in the flying, trying to get some good footage, some good photos, and I burn through a battery, and then I have no way to charge the other battery. I only have two, so, you know, it's kind of a pain. I'm looking to get at least two more, maybe three more, but these batteries are also pretty pricey themselves, so we'll see. The controller that comes with the Mavic Air is very nice. The Spark offers the same controller, only with the Fly More combo, because the Spark is actually a drone that you can fly from your phone. But Mavic Air, really similar controller design to the Spark, except for the Spark actually does not offer the removable joysticks, which I definitely like. It's not a bad thing by any means, but it's kind of nice. You know, you can put your little joystick in there on both sides. Like I said, it just got done flying. But with the kit, you get this controller. It actually comes with a little on-the-go cable, as you can call it. It comes in the 3 different connectors, micro USB, which I use, and that's the only one I keep on there because I'm flying with an Android. They do offer the lightning cable for iPhone and the Type-C USB cable for the newer Galaxies and like the new LG phones. You can actually fit a pretty decent sized phone in here with just the stock controller. They do offer a tablet mount, so basically it's just a big piece of plastic or metal that slips into here, and then it rises up here, and then you got the clamp right here for your tablet. I unfortunately don't have any tablets that would work, and then obviously I don't have the mount, but the tablet that I do have is actually too old and it doesn't support the DJI Go app, so it's a shame. Also, in the box of stuff that you get with the drone, it's kind of nice. DJI gives you all these manuals, obviously your disclaimer and safety guidelines, basically a pamphlet on what's inside the box, a booklet on intelligent batteries, a whole booklet on propeller guards, and then they also give you a quick start guide. These are also offered in multiple languages, which is nice. I know some of the other like cheaper drones, what they tend to do is give you like 10 different manuals, you know, in all different languages. So it's kind of nice that they did a multi-platform setup with the languages for the manual. Then next we have the charger. This is not the triple bank charger or whatever they sell. This is just the stock one that came with the Mavic Air. This only charges one battery right here, and it's nice. You know, it's a pain to only be able to charge one battery at a time, but on this charger they do give you 2 USB ports, so you're able to charge not only the controller, which I forgot to mention is if you take this little adapter out right here, it does look a little strange. It doesn't look like a USB, micro USB, but a micro USB is the plug that goes in there so you can charge it. So you can charge your controller on that, and then also you can charge your phone. So kind of nice that you're able to charge all three things at once, and so you can fly more. Definitely, I would recommend, if you were to buy this drone, to get the triple bank charger. That way, you don't have to take one battery right here, have it plugged in, and once it's all charged up, then you got to take it off and put on the other one. So definitely recommend getting the other charger. I am actually gonna plan on doing that here in the near future, so hopefully once I get that, I can do a little review video or give you my thoughts on what I think about it. Some other things that I don't have on the table here with me that this comes with. DJI actually gives you an extra set of joysticks. Actually, I do have those with me. And then along with that, they do give you a Type-C to micro USB connector. The Mavic Air actually on the back here, they do have the USB Type-C, and it has a micro USB slot as well. The Type-C USB port is actually only for getting the footage off of the drone, not only from an SD card that you put in there. It also has internal storage. I'm not too sure on how much it has. I've put my own SD card in there, so I really don't worry about it. But the one thing that I've noticed with the SD card is, with this camera shooting in 4K like it does, you need to have an SD card that actually is able to withstand 4K video. I just have a 32 gigabyte SD card in there right now, and it actually doesn't perform fast enough to withstand the 4K video. So I gotta go out and get the 4K SD card, but for now I'm just taking pictures, and until I get the SD card I can't really shoot 4K video, or too long of 4K video because of the internal storage. But other than that, they do offer a full set of props, which is very nice. And the nice thing is with these props is they're actually quick disconnects. So basically you push down. Here, let me move it closer for you guys. So basically, if you look inside here, you see these square notches that are right here. And what you do is on the bottom of the prop, you line up those square notches like so. Oh geez. And then you twist the little motor right there. So very nice. It's a good design. It definitely, I would like to have the folding propellers for a little bit more of a compact design, but with how this thing folds up, which I'll show you here in a minute, honestly I could go either way. They say that these all-in-one propellers, the non-folding ones, give you a longer run time, but I don't have folding propellers to really tell you the difference. But this is how this folds up. So if you take the back legs, they fold in like that, and like that, and then right here they're like little landing gears, but they have the antennas inside. So you got to make sure that you put those down when you put it away, and you prop them up when you're going to fly. So, and then that just folds in like that, and like that, and then you just fix your props like that, flip it up. And just like that, the DJI Mavic Air is now all compact. They actually do give you the case for it, just like this. Really nice case, nice and compact. They don't give you a controller case, which is kind of a shame. But actually what I've found is if anyone still has their old PSP from when they were a kid, the Mavic controller, actually if you fold it up and open up the case, fits right inside. So it folds up in the case real nice. So if you got a PSP case, it'll work. And the nice thing is the joysticks are removable, so you don't have to worry about breaking them. So that's really all I got to say about the Mavic. Definitely here in the near future, I'm going to be uploading some footage. I actually live very close by to Geauga Lake, an old amusement park, and I know that there's a ton of people over there flying drones over there, just getting some footage. And you know, with it being as closed for as long as it is, I just think it'd be cool to fly over there and see what's going on, even though I've been in there a million times. But it's kind of different to see it from the air, right? So stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, have a nice day.